Alright everybody, let's look at today's lesson, addition using base 10. Here we are, you've been given the problem 48 plus 34. So, as you know how to model with base 10, we're going to model each of the numbers using the base 10 blocks here. So 48, we have 4 tens and 8 ones. So we get 8 ones down here. And can you all tell me how many tens we have in 34? Good job, that's right. We have 3 tens in 34. And as you know, we have 4 ones. So the tens, that's the number in the tens column. We have literally 4 tens in 48 and 3 tens in 34 over here. Let me just put a little dividing line in between. Alright, there we go. So over here you've got your 48, and here you have your 34. Now, watch what we're going to do. We are going to combine these two numbers because that's what we want to do. Addition is combining numbers. So, we're going to combine all the ones together, and then we'll combine all the tens together. So, how many tens does that leave us with? If we had 4 tens plus 3 tens, how many tens did that leave us with? Good, we have 7 tens that we're left with. Now let's see how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We have 12 ones. But there's something wrong with 12 ones. We can't have 12 ones. As you saw previously, we can only have a number of ones that is a digit. And a digit is a number from 0 to 9. So we can have 0 ones, we can have 3 ones, we can have 9 ones, but we can't have 12 ones. So what happens to the extra ones? Well, when we have enough ones to make a 10, that's what we want to do. So we're going to combine the ones and see if we have enough to make a 10. And remember, a 10 is just 10 ones, that's all. So we're going to try to see if we have enough ones to make a 10. And it looks like we're going to here. So then if we can make a 10, then what's going to happen to the extra ones? Well, here we go. Let's see. So we've made a 10 here. And now the extra ones, how many extra ones do we have? We have 2. So now instead of these 7 tens that we have here, now we have altogether 8 tens. And over here we have 2 ones. So 8 tens. Then that tells you what number is going to be in the tens column. So how many tens in the tens column? Good, 8 tens. So 80 something. And then the next number, the 2, will tell you how many go in the ones column. So we have 2 ones, and what's in the ones column? 2. Right. So altogether, that number is 82. Now, hopefully you've understood what we've done, so we're going to let you do a practice problem by yourself, but I'll still be here helping you. So I'm going to change the numbers here. Let's say 16 plus 47. Yep, so let's see, 16 plus 47, what is that going to equal? So let's change our ones and tens back. So over here, let's see, we've got 110 over here and 16. And then over here in 47, how many tens do we have? 4. Right, so we've got 110 over there, and obviously 4 10s over here. Right, that's okay. You guys know that. You are pros at all this. So now let's see. We've got 6 1s over on this side. And how many 1s are going to be on the other side? 7. We're going to have 7 1s over there. Right. Here we go. So we've got, put our line back. So 110 over here and 6 1s. Now over here we have 4 10s, and it's a little messy, but 7 1s. Now we're going to get rid of our line, and then we're going to combine. We're going to combine all these things, all these little boxes. So, see, we've got, over here we have 5 10s, and now, let's see, I'll just count them up for you. We have 6 10s plus, 6 1s plus 7 1s, which equals 6 plus 7 is 13. Good. So we've got 5 10s and 13 1s, but wait, we can't have 13 1s. So what are we going to do about that? Because we can't have 13 1s. Right, we're going to transform the 1s into a 10. And I'll do it quickly for you. We've got that 10. And now we're left with 3 1s. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s over there and 3 1s over here. So what is that going to be? What's the answer to our problem? Who knows? All right. The answer is 63. Very good. Thank you for working with me on addition using base 10.